Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Remitly with good settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Remitly app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.